In this video, I will teach you how to enable Praxis in Money Robot. As you can see in this part below here, it says that Praxis are not connected or are not using a list of our Praxis either. How do we enable them? We go to Settings, and under Settings, we go to the Praxis section and press this little box right here. We save it, and when it appears here that the Praxis are enabled, we're then connected. What will it do? At the moment that we create our first campaign, all of the 60,000 proxies that Money Robot uses will begin to work. It is checking every day which proxies are valid, which ones stopped working, and immediately deletes them from the system. Okay? I hope that this has helped you for something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please, so we can keep uploading more of those videos. Thank you and see you on the next one.